Hello students, I hope you are well. Now in today's lecture we will discuss industrial production of alcohol or fermentation method for production of ethanol. Now in NCERT textbook you have given a industrial production of ethanol by using a fermentation method. Now alcohol is produced by using these fermentation procedures. So first we have required a molasses. Now lot of things, suppose we can take sugar cane or different type of ripened fruits, or we can say ripened grapes. Now this both is a big or huge source of a sugar. So from sugar cane juice or from ripened grapes we are getting a molasses. Now molasses containing a huge amount of sugar, and this sugar is nothing but a sucrose. So now sucrose having a formula or C12H22 and O11. Now this sucrose present in a molasses undergo fermentation procedure in absence of air by enzyme known as invertase. So आपको बहुत टाइम एग्जाम में पूछा गया कि which enzyme convert sucrose into glucose and fructose? That will be a invertase. So during this fermentation procedures, the sucrose will converted into glucose, C6H12O6 and fructose. तो ग्लूकोज और फ्रुक्टोज के स्ट्रक्चर के आप जानते हो, उसमें डिफरेंस यही है कि इसमें एल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप है और फ्रुक्टोज में कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. So by fermentation in absence of air, sucrose will undergo hydrolysis and it gives us glucose and fructose. Now in this procedure one water molecule is required. Now in second step, whatever glucose or fructose obtained to us in absence of air in anaerobic condition, this will be converted into now enzyme present known as a chymes. Chymes will be obtained from a yeast, and a ripened grape is source of both things. Suppose we have a ripened grape, then it is source of sugar as well as an outer layer of skin of grapes. We have a enzyme, chymes will be also present. So when both is crushed, then we are getting a sugar also as well as we are getting enzyme also. So now chymes enzyme present in a yeast, or we are getting from a yeast, will convert glucose into alcohol, and it will be ethanol C2H5OH. We are getting a 2 mole of ethanol, and plus we are getting a 2 mole of a carbon dioxide. Now this thing is carried out in absence of air. Suppose air is present. If air is present, then after increasing quantity of ethanol 14%, this will start to oxidize and converted into carboxylic acid, or it will converted into ethanoic acid. So oxidation no हो, इसलिए in anaerobic condition, particularly I have to write it here, anaerobic condition. In anaerobic conditions, oxidation will be carried out. So glucose will converted into alcohol and carbon dioxide things. Now whatever mixture obtained to us on distillation of these things, this mixture will be distilled. So on distillation of all these things, we get a mixture of 95% of ethanol and 5% of water. So we are getting mixture of ethanol as well as water. This azeotropic mixture will be obtained, and from this azeotropic mixture, pure absolute ethanol can be prepared by membrane technology. So by using this membrane technology, absolute or pure ethanol can be obtained. Now you know that whatever pure ethanol obtained to us is a colorless liquid. Physical property of this is that ethanol, pure ethanol is a colorless liquid. I will write it here, colorless liquid, and it has a boiling point. Boiling point of this will be a 351 Kelvin. Now ethanol can be used for drinking purpose. To avoid these things, in a commercial production of ethanol, denaturation of alcohol can be done. So what is the meaning of denaturation? To make denaturation of alcohol to make unfit for drinking purpose. This pure ethanol, whatever obtained to us, to make it unfit for drinking purpose, small amount of copper sulfate will be added. So when we add copper sulfate, then it is observed that this copper sulfate giving a color to this alcohol. Similarly, small amount of pyridine is added. Small amount of pyridine is added. Now pyridine, when we add, it gives smell to alcohol, and this copper sulfate giving a color to alcohol and make it unfit for drinking purpose. So this thing is known as a denaturation of alcohol. So what is denaturation of alcohol? Whatever alcohol obtained to us to make it unfit for drinking purpose, small amount of copper sulfate is added, which giving color to alcohol. Small amount of pyridine is added, which giving a smell to alcohol. This is known as denaturation of alcohol. Now whatever pure alcohol obtained to us, it can be used for variety of purpose. This alcohol, I will write it here, it can be used in a paint industry. In a paint industry, this alcohol will be used, or in liquor industry also it will be used. Second thing, it is used as a solvent. It can be used as a solvent, or it can be used for manufacturing of many organic compounds. So third use, to prepare lot of organic compound. So ethanol can be used in a paint industry. It can be used as a solvent to dissolve many organic compound, and similarly ethanol can be used to prepare variety of organic compound. So dear students, today we have studied how alcohol or particularly ethanol can be obtained by fermentation process. So once again we have to revise this. From sugar canes or from ripened grapes we are getting a molasses. Molasses containing a sugar. The sugar is nothing but a sucrose. Now sucrose, when hydrolysis done by using enzyme invertase, आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है, by using which enzyme sucrose converted into glucose and fructose, then answer will be invertase. Then after glucose or fructose, whatever obtained to us in anaerobic conditions, by using enzyme zymase, and zymase will obtain from yeast, it will convert it into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Now if concentration of ethanol is more than 14% and oxygen is present, then it will start to oxidize. To avoid this thing, generally this reaction is carried out in absence of air. Now whatever ethanol obtained to us by using a distillation method, we are getting a 95% ethanol and water mixtures. This is nothing but azeotropic mixtures. From this azeotropic mixture, pure or absolute ethanol can be obtained by using a membrane technology. Whatever pure ethanol obtained, it is a colorless liquid, smellless, tasteless liquid having a boiling point 351 Kelvin. Now to make it unfit for drinking purpose, we are adding small amount of copper sulfate which giving color. We are adding a small amount of pyridine which giving a smell. This thing is known as a denaturation of alcohol. And alcohol can be used in a paint industry. It is used as a solvent to dissolve many organic compound, and it is also used to prepare a variety of organic compound. So by using this fermentation method, ethanol can be obtained on commercial basis.